Mutton Korma recipe. Welcome to Chef Mariam's website, where you will find a wealth of information about her and her love for food and cooking. As an experienced chef, Mariam has a passion for creating traditional dishes with a modern twist, and her mutton korma recipe is a perfect example of this. To make mutton korma, Chef Mariam starts by selecting the best quality lamb or goat meat, marinating it in a mixture of spices, and then cooking it slowly in a rich sauce made from yogurt, cream, and a blend of aromatic spices and herbs. The result is a tender and juicy dish that is bursting with flavor. One of the great things about mutton korma is that it is incredibly versatile and can be served with a variety of sides, including rice, bread, or vegetables. It also makes a perfect meal for entertaining guests, as it can be made in advance and reheated just before serving. Whether you are a seasoned cook or just starting out in the kitchen, Chef Mariam's mutton korma recipe is sure to be a hit with your family and friends. With her clear and concise instructions and helpful tips and tricks, even beginners can make this delicious dish with ease. So why wait? Head over to Chef Mariam's website today and discover more about her passion for food and her amazing mutton korma recipe. Whether you are looking to try a new dish or just want to learn more about Middle Eastern cuisine, Chef Mariam's website is the perfect place to start. Mutton korma is a delicious and flavorful dish that is popular in Middle Eastern cuisine. It is made by slowly cooking meat, typically lamb or goat, in a rich and aromatic sauce. Chef Mariam is an expert in creating authentic and delicious Middle Eastern dishes, and her mutton korma recipe is sure to be a hit with anyone who tries it. Introduction. Mutton korma is a traditional Middle Eastern dish that is characterized by its rich and flavorful sauce. Here are 5 key points to introduce mutton korma. 1. Origin. Mutton korma is believed to have originated in the Indian subcontinent, and it is widely enjoyed in Middle Eastern and South Asian cuisine. 2. Main ingredients. Mutton korma typically consists of tender, slow-cooked meat, such as lamb or goat, in a sauce made from yogurt, cream, and a blend of aromatic spices and herbs. 3. Preparation. The meat is first marinated and then slowly cooked in a flavorful sauce, resulting in a tender and juicy dish. 4. Serving. Mutton korma is usually served with rice or flatbread and can be garnished with fresh herbs and spices for added flavor. 5. Popularity. Mutton korma is a beloved dish in Middle Eastern cuisine and is enjoyed by people all over the world for its rich, flavorful taste and tender texture. Mutton korma recipe with Chef Mariam. Mutton korma is a delicious and flavorful dish that has been enjoyed for generations in Middle Eastern and South Asian cuisine. If you are a fan of rich and aromatic dishes, then you will love Chef Mariam's mutton korma recipe. In this blog post, we will be diving into the world of mutton korma and learning how to make this delicious dish from the expert, Chef Mariam. Ingredients. 1. 1 kilogram mutton, lamb or goat, cubed. 2. 1 cup plain yogurt. 3. 1 cup heavy cream. 4. 2 medium-sized onions, finely chopped. 5. 4 cloves of garlic, minced. 6. 1-inch piece of ginger, grated. 7. 2 teaspoons garam masala. 8. 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. 9. 1 teaspoon cumin powder. 10. 1 teaspoon coriander powder. 11. Salt, to taste. 12. 1/2 cup ghee or oil. 13. 2 cinnamon sticks. 14. 2 bay leaves. 15. 1/2 cup chopped cilantro, for garnish. Instructions. 1. Marinate the mutton in the yogurt, cream, ginger, garlic, and spices, garam masala, turmeric, cumin, coriander, for at least 2 hours, or overnight in the refrigerator for best results. 2. Add the cinnamon sticks and bay leaves and cook for 1 minute. 3. Add the chopped onions and cook until they are golden brown, about 10 minutes. 4. Add the marinated mutton to the pot and cook for 10 minutes, until the meat is browned on all sides. 5. Reduce the heat to low, cover the pot with a lid, and cook the mutton korma for 2 hours, or until the meat is tender and the sauce is thick and flavorful. 5. Stir occasionally to ensure that the meat is evenly cooked. 6. Serve the mutton korma hot with rice, flatbread, or vegetables, and garnish with chopped cilantro. Chef Mariam's mutton korma recipe is a true celebration of Middle Eastern cuisine and its rich, aromatic flavors. With the right ingredients and a little patience, you can create this delicious dish in your own kitchen. Whether you are entertaining guests or just looking for a comforting meal, mutton korma is sure to impress. So why wait? Head to your kitchen and start cooking up a storm with Chef Mariam's mutton korma recipe. With her expert guidance and love for food, you will be well on your way to creating a delicious and authentic Middle Eastern dish that is sure to become a family favorite. Whether you are a seasoned cook or just starting out in the kitchen, Chef Mariam's recipes are the perfect way to expand your culinary horizons and discover the delicious world of Middle Eastern cuisine. Chef Mariam's special information. Chef Mariam is a well-known culinary expert in the world of Middle Eastern cuisine, and she is especially known for her delicious mutton korma recipe. Here are some special pieces of information about Chef Mariam's mutton korma. Expertise. Chef Mariam has a deep understanding of Middle Eastern cuisine and has perfected the art of cooking mutton korma. Her years of experience in the kitchen have allowed her to create a recipe that is both delicious and authentic. Aromatic spices. Chef Mariam uses a blend of aromatic spices in her mutton korma recipe, including garam masala, turmeric, cumin, and coriander, to create a rich and flavorful sauce. Slow cooking. Chef Mariam believes in the power of slow cooking, and her mutton korma recipe is no exception. The meat is slowly cooked in the flavorful sauce for several hours, resulting in a tender and juicy dish. Fresh ingredients. Chef Mariam uses only the freshest ingredients in her mutton korma recipe, from the yogurt and cream to the aromatic spices and herbs. She believes that using high-quality ingredients is key to creating a delicious and authentic dish. Love for food. Above all, Chef Mariam has a deep love for food and for sharing her passion with others. Her mutton korma recipe is just one example of her commitment to creating delicious and authentic Middle Eastern cuisine that is enjoyed by people all over the world.